There is this particular business that people are not really talking about on the internet. Well, maybe they don't just know more about this business, or they haven't even heard it before on the internet. Well, are you a student or a stay-at-home mom, or you are literally looking for a side hustle to add to your business this year? Then this video is for you. So take a chill drink and watch this video. Hello, my name is Okwemi. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do well to follow me for more tips. So this profitable business I'm talking about is what we call data reselling business. You might have heard this business in one way or the other, maybe from a friend or online. Actually, from the word data, you should know what I'm talking about. We all use data. Even right now, you are using the data. So how can you venture into this business? This is what I'm going to share with you in this video. So what is a data reselling business? It simply means buying internet data bundles from all these telecommunication companies like MTN, Airtel, Glo, and others, where you sell to end users in smaller commodities. It's just as simple as that. It simply means buying goods from people, and when you buy in larger quantity, the supplier might give you discounts on whatever you buy. That is just related to what I'm talking about. Now, who is a data reseller? The question you will ask yourself is, who is a data reseller? Have you ever wondered why banks and all these MMOs ventured into this particular business I'm talking about? Sometimes they might send you a text message that you should purchase an airtime from your bank account. Sometimes you saw it on the bank app truly that you can actually purchase your data bundles from there. And right now, if you log into your bank apps, you can see there that you can actually buy data and airtimes. And the amazing part is that all these banks and MMOs like OPay, MoneyPoint, PalmPay, and others, they literally call you or sometimes or text you message, as I said earlier, that you need to buy an airtime and data from there. That simply tells you that this business is a very, very lucrative one from what I've explained. Because if it is not lucrative, why would they be telling you that you need to buy your airtime or you need to buy your data from their app? So who are data resellers? They are people who buy data on the internet and sell to you as an end user. They are actually people who buy data online at a cheaper price and sell to you while they had their profit to use. Data resellers are people who buy data online while they sell to end users. That is, if you want to buy data now, you have to go to someone and say that, okay, I want to buy a data on my phone. That person is a data reseller because the person has actually offered you a service. So let's thank God for our 10 guys in Nigeria that has actually come up with an idea of developing an app or designing a website whereby all these data resellers can actually buy from and sell to end users so that they can have their own profit. Now I'm going to show you something quickly. I'm going to log into one of my bank apps or MMO's accounts, so I will try to purchase data from it so that you know exact amount that they are selling from there. So right now I'm going to my phone, then I log into one of my MMO's app here, then I will try and buy data from one of these MMO's app. So let me click on airtime and data, then let me put my number, then click on data. How much are you buying? Okay, let's say I want to buy 1 gig now, then I click on 1 gig. Wow, they are selling for 315 naira for 1 gig. 1 gig. Then choose a product. I'm going for 1 gig. Wow. They are selling it for 500 naira on this account. Now, there is this particular app that data resellers do buy at a cheaper price. Of course, they are not buying for 600 naira, or neither they buy for 500 naira. Because if they actually sell it for 600 naira for you, why they buy 500 naira? Of course, you won't buy, so you prefer buying it from your bank account. So let me tell you how they got their profits. There's this particular app that I'm going to tell you before the end of this video that they literally go to and buy for 265 naira per gig. For just 265 naira per gig, they buy their MTN. When they sell to end users like 400 naira, why they keep their profit? So they can literally go there and buy their Airtel for 285 naira and sell for 400 naira. So imagine the profit. Let's do a simple calculation now. So let's imagine you buy for the rate of 10 naira and you are selling it for 400 naira to end users. Imagine you get 135 naira on 1 gig. Imagine the person is buying 10 gig. That is 2,650. That is for 10 gig on the app. Now you are getting 1,350 naira on one person. Imagine the person is buying 10 gig. Okay, let's say the person is not buying 10 gig, and let's assume you sell 1 gig for 30 people per day, or let's say 20 people per day for a start. Let's say 1 gig for 20 people for a start. Now let's go to the calculator. Don't forget the gain on 1 gig is 135 naira because you are actually selling it for 400 naira. So let's multiply 135 multiplied by 20. You are selling for 20 people per day. That means you have gained 2,700 naira on 20 people when you are selling for them on 1 gig. Some people will even buy 3 gig, 2 gig, depending on their demand. So let's assume you are earning 2,700 naira per day as a student. let's multiply by 30 days. That is 81,000 naira, 2,700 naira. Multiply by 30 days, that is 81,000 naira. Now tell me, what would 81,000 naira do for you as a single mom? What would 81,000 naira do for you as a student in this Nigeria? Isn't it that much? And you are not limited to just this 81,000 naira only, because as long as you are doing it, the more you do it, the more you get more customers. So far, you are talking about your business every day to people. So that's the minimum you can earn from data reselling business per month. As I've said earlier, the more you do it, the more customers comes to you. Even as a student, students buy data a lot, and we are going to them and tell them that they can actually get it for 400 naira. They will opt in. Even you can even reduce your price to 350 naira just to attract customers, and with time you will increase it. So let's assume you are selling 40 gig per day. That is how much? Let's do some calculation. We sell 2,700 naira for 20 gig per day. Then let's say 2,700 naira again. That means you are selling 40 gig per day. That is not what's wrong. That is if you are consistent in the business. That is 5,400 naira multiplied by 30 days. That is 100. That is 162 naira for a whole month. Imagine. So that is just how these people, these data resellers, earn from this business. So thank you very much for watching. In my next video, I will be revealing to you the best app that you can use as data resellers. I will be revealing to you how you can download it and register on this app. I will also be explaining to you some features on this app that you are not used to. I will be explaining to you in details. All you have to do is to just follow me for more tips. I bet it with you. In the next 1 month, you will come back and thank me later when you start this business properly. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.